Welcome to the EUP 104 Dialog Link Editor Advanced Upstart Programming. Another way of programming our system very easily is the Dialog Link Editor. Once you have your scenes all created, and remember, you're going to go here to Link Add, click on a link, and just type in what you want to do. Then click Add. That becomes a new link. Automatically selects the next number in the list, and you can name it any way you want, individual lights or entire scenes. When you're ready to edit them, yes, you can do the drag and drop, or you can do the multi-device edit, or go up to the top to Links, click on the Dialog Link Editor, pick what scene you want to program. And in this case here, let's pick movie time. And this opens up an editor that will program the entire link. You notice you have controllers, presets, and indicators. The controllers are the keypads. The presets are the preset light levels for your devices. And the indicators are the LED tracking on your keypads. So let's add the controllers. Click on Add Controller. You select the controller or the rocker that you're going to use, because yes, the switches themselves will also be able to be used. I'm going to pick the B button. Add another controller. Scroll down my list here. And I'm going to use the G button on my 8-button controller. And B button on my other 6-button. Now, right now they're all set as link activators, but you can change that by clicking on Link Activator and change it to a toggle or a super toggle. Now in this case here for movie time, you're normally starting a movie or watching a TV show. You want different lights to modify throughout the house. I'll probably just leave that as a link activator, because after the movie you'll either hit a movie's done or welcome home or do a different scene. Now I normally go right to indicators, because I want to make sure the LED lights are set properly. When you add the indicator, this lets you know which indicators need to be set. So I have the unit 7, hit OK. Add the next indicator, unit 2, OK. Add the next indicator, unit 1, OK. And now I can see all the different buttons and which ones I need to turn on and off. If you forget which button you're using, here, unit 7, I'm going to go back to the controller, so I can see unit 7, I use the B button, and the G button, and the B button. So the B button, I want to make sure those turn on. I'm also going to turn on the G button and the 8-button keypad. Now the question is, what do you want the other LED lights to do? If this is independent, then that's all we're going to do, is just keep it as an independent device, independent switch. But perhaps I want other LED lights to turn off so they're ready to be reactivated, because perhaps I'm affecting parts of the lights in those scenes. So I can actually tell all the other LED lights to turn off. We know that we're in movie time, and since the LED lights are deactivated, it means when we push that other button, like for example the on button, that will activate the LED light and activate that scene. Once we have the LEDs set properly, we go to the presets. Which devices, it pulls up a list of all the devices that you can control. What devices do you want to be part of this scene? We'll add some switches to it. I'll just go through and decide which switches I'm going to have in this scene. I'll just pick 4 of them right now. And what light level do you want them to be at? Well, you can see the different lights that you have. Maybe my lamp in that room, I want that at a small low level, so I have a little bit of light. Maybe another light in another part of the house, I'll turn it down to 50%. Or of course I can use the scroll bar. and other lights I'll go ahead and turn off. Now as movie time, do you want the lights to turn off immediately, or do you want them to slowly fade down? When the lights are going totally off, perhaps I want to give them a 5-minute ramp rate, so that has time to go through the previews. You have time to get popcorn and soda, and by the time the lights are down or totally off, you're ready to watch the movie. That's simple. You do your controllers, what kind of button, you do the indicators, presetting your LED lights and what you want the other LED lights to do, and then you do the presets, the different switches and devices to control. Once you're done, I can just hit OK and program later, or I can press on Program All needed to establish this link. If I want to remove anything, I can select it and hit Remove Selected. That'll remove that device from the list. And now it updates my links. I can see over here movie time has been updated. I have all 3 controllers with the B, G, B buttons. I can see my devices that are going to control, and I see the indicators are set on those keypads also. Very simple, easy to do. I'd like to thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please contact the numbers below for PCS. Have a great day.